Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A77. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to password and security. Enter lock screen password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. Firstly, let's select numeric. And now let's go to use a different password type. Now we've got three types of the numeric password: 6-digit password, 4-digit password and 4 to 16 digits password. Let's only select 4-digit password because basically they are the same and the only different is length. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select alphanumeric, and to set it, enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern we have to connect at least 4 dots. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Once it's done, we can go to face unlock, which is our first biometric. And now let's continue and scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to fingerprint. And now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and use it to unlock the phone. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.